Y'all, come along with me while I reset this Sunday morning, y'all. But I gotta tell y'all what happened to me at 4. I woke up at 4 o'clock this morning, y'all. And I said, okay, let's do something with yourself. Because you know God could have stopped your heart while you was sleeping, but he didn't. So y'all, I got up, I did what I needed to do in the house. And I said, okay, I want to go to the laundromat. So before I went to the laundromat, I had put me some clothes in the washer machine at my house. Y'all, so I go out to put the clothes in the washing machine, and I have to go out of my house, and it's literally on my porch in like my secured closet for storage is my laundry. Y'all, I put the laundry in there. When I turned around, I realized that I closed the door. It's a sliding glass door. And in the midst of me closing that door, the door locked, y'all. I went into a full-blown panic because now I'm standing on the porch. I basically got a drawers on and a bra. You know how you have like the boy shorts that's fitted everywhere, and then I had on like a little halter top. Now I started my color clothes first, y'all. So now I'm saying to myself, like, I'm not fully dressed to hop over this gate, which like my little patio gate, to go get some help. I don't have my keys, I don't have my cell phone. I'm just panicking now. So I go into my laundry room. Now I'm digging around in dirty clothes, y'all, to find me something to put on, which I found a little mini dress, which is white, really, really mini, but this is all I got because the color clothes is in the wash already, y'all. So I put the dress on, and then I put like one of my scrub shirts over it to kind of make it look like, you know, I'm not too revealing. Y'all, I had to hop over the gate. My look, woo-ha was out of everything, but just to get over the gate, I had no choice. I did have on the shorts under the dress, but still, it was just too much, y'all. So I had to hop the gate, go and run to my neighbor's house praying that she was there. So when I turned the corner, I seen her car. I was like, oh, thank you, Father God. I am so grateful this lady is at home. And she's elderly and she's Caucasian, y'all. So I knocked on her door and praying. She answered. Y'all, she answered the door. I explained to her that I went out the side patio door and I got locked out. I need to try to call somebody to help me get back in the house. This ain't never happened to me. So she called security, which is like our after-hour maintenance people. And now it's 9:30 in the morning, y'all. So I get on the phone with them. They kept saying, oh, we're going to come, this, that, and the third. So 2 hours done passed. We constantly calling them, leaving messages and everything, y'all. Do you understand? They finally answered the phone where we could physically talk to somebody around 12:30. He said that he wasn't going to be able to let me in until he verified me, y'all. So I'm like, okay, well, why didn't y'all just tell me that at 9:30? That way I don't have to be sitting up here waiting. I could have laid down on her couch and took a nap because I'm just lost at this point, y'all. Do y'all know? So at 1 o'clock they get here. They late because they arrived at 1:10. And I finally got in the house, y'all. They ain't never got to worry about me. Every time I go out there to do my laundry, I am going to have my purse on my shoulder, y'all. And mind you, my husband said he got locked out before as well. But one of the workers was crossing by on a go-kart to go to the next building, which is kind of far, and they let him in. But y'all, this video just consists of me, you know, getting up, taking my blankets to the laundromat, because I don't normally put them in my small washer at home, only because I don't want it to get torn up. And then I also had to go buy me a printer, because I got a lot of paperwork that I need to print off when it comes down to the boutique, taxes, all of those things. So I did start at Best Buy, but I ended up at OfficeMax. I paid about $275 for the printer and the paper. And that's like a portable printer. And then after all that stress, I say, you know what, let me just go sit down and get my nails done, y'all. I finally had them take the acrylic off and break it down to it's just my regular nails. I wanted to get an overlay and a design. And I'm going to show y'all that in a few clips further into the video. Have you guys ever been locked out of your house? I felt so hopeless. I've never felt this homeless ever, like, because I've been homeless in the past, y'all. But I didn't have no cell phone. I didn't have no keys. I'm looking at my car. I couldn't even get in my car. I was like, just discombobulated the entire time. And this lady allowed me to come in her house. Soon as I walked in, she said, would you like some water, tea? Like literally trying to make me breakfast and everything, and I turned it down, y'all. And she was more on like, oh, please look over my house. Baby, I'm not even worried about your house right now. Your house is my house. Your su casa is my su casa at this point. And I thank you for letting me in. Like, she was so sweet. She treated me so good. And this is why you can't be evil and mean to people, because you never know who you're gonna need. When I initially met her, she gave me her number. She's like 75. She's a school teacher and she's ready to retire. But I was like, you know what? I'll take her number just in case something happens and she need me to come help her. I might even have a house key on my ring for her house, low key, y'all. But that's just the connection that we made after we met and introduced ourselves to each other. You never know who you gonna need, and we would in passing speak to each other and keep it moving. She's even giving me gifts, y'all. Long story short is I'm grateful to have a neighbor that can literally step in for me and help me, y'all. And she let me sit in her house for 4 hours. I hope you guys understand the power of connections. They are valuable, and you never know when you need to utilize them. I thought it was going to be her and not me because she's elderly. But guess what? It was me first. And she may need me in the end, and I'm going to be right there to help her along the way. I love y'all. I thank y'all for watching this video. This is a reset video of me just trying to reset for the week to come. And I know that whatever I'm going to face this week is just what is going to happen, because who knows? I didn't know it was going to happen, but it did. And I'm grateful to God that I was able to rectify the situation and get to what I needed to be, which is back into my house in my comfort zone. I love y'all. I thank y'all for watching. Y'all continue to be blessed. Continue to stay prayed up and keep people in your corner that you know gonna hold you down no matter what.